Hey, welcome. Here are the video instructions for Wednesday, December 9th's assignment for Asynchronous Wednesday. So there is a Google Doc attached. There will be a copy for all of you, and you'll need to work on these questions. The first one should be easy enough. Just what is the name of your group civilization? Your group should have decided that yesterday, at least by yesterday, if not before. So that should be pretty straightforward. Put that there. And then here is your question. In our game project, as I like to call it, we use fish and grain to represent a common food source. A common food source is one of the characteristics of a civilization. So, hint, hint, we're going to be talking about those characteristics again. You may remember them when we learn about Mesopotamia. You're going to make up a food dish for your civilization that uses any kind of fish and or grain as its source. And feel free to get imaginative. It can be your own dish that you just invented. Hopefully it sounds good though, to you at least. And you can add in other ingredients like spices or anything else. But a grain and a fish should be like the main two ingredients. So if you want to add in like garlic or chili peppers or hopefully salt and pepper at least, and veggies or something like that, you feel free. Invent something, or you can base it off of something that already exists and then kind of tweak it to make it your own. You're basically making like your imaginary culture's main dish, right? When we talked about that for America, most of you said, hamburgers probably, hamburger cheeseburgers probably are for the United States of America. But what would it be for your civilization? And then I said you can search up other recipes to be inspired or to kind of borrow from them. But it needs to use some sort of grain, and examples are wheat, which wheat is turned into flour, which is what we use, to make bread and tortillas and other things like that. Barley, oats, millet, and rice. So maybe that can help you get started on your grain base. And then I had some examples of fish. There are much more fish that people eat than this. Or if you want to do a different kind of seafood, like maybe you want octopus or squid, that's fine too. Salmon, cod, trout, pollock, and halibut are just some examples of wildly caught fish that humans tend to enjoy eating. And your description should be a good, healthy paragraph. At least 4 sentences describing this, and why it's important to your culture. Food is important to civilizations. It's the first thing that kind of brings us together. And so, feel free to get imaginative. Think about the different ingredients. You can think of something as simple as like fish tacos. And then, again, in the details is how you make it more special and important. So add in things to those fish tacos. Or it could be something like a rice dish with fish, like some sort of fish stew or seafood stew. It could be like a wrap or a bread or a sandwich with, fried fish. Anything you could think of. And it should be a good, nice paragraph that you write there. And that's it. Make sure you attach that and click that turn in button. You probably will finish this today, I'm hoping, but I'm going to make the due date on Friday when it is officially due. All right, guys, work hard, and I will see you on Thursday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.